Now in this video, we will going to take up one more Python program. How to check whether the two given matrix, that is 3 by 3 matrices, are identical or not. So what is the condition for the two matrices to be identical? The two matrices of 3 by 3 are identical only when by comparing the each row and each element of the matrix 1 with the each element of the row and column of the matrix 2. If both are equal, then only it is called identical. Otherwise, if any one of the rows and columns is not identical, then the entire matrices will not be identical. So this is how we will be able to do that. To do that, first what I need to do, I need to create a matrix of 3 by 3 in matrix 1 and matrix 2. So how to do that? So first I have to give the row number and the column number, or the size I have to specify. After that I have to give the input for the element, and then I need to check the each element individually, and then I will apply the condition so that when the matrix R becomes equal, then it is called identical. Otherwise it says no, it is not identical. So to do that, first I will create now row int input. Why this int is being used? Because in Python, always the input whatever we give, it will be in the form of string. I need to convert the string into integer in this case. So therefore, I am using the int function. Therefore, row is equal to int input, enter the row number, and column is equal to int input, enter the column number. So how to print the elements of the matrix 1? For matrix 1, input will be the list comprehension, which is nested list. Int input for I in range column, for j in range row. Then print matrix 1 for I in range row, for j in range column. Print format matrix 1 of ij, and between the two columns what is the space I require. And to continue the same line, I use the end separator. Then after completing the jth row, jth loop, and it comes out of the jth loop, then you are going to have a print function which will going to execute that. The print will go to the next line, then it start printing in the next row with the same number of column elements. So this is how it will going to be executed. Of course, I will going to explain when I take up the individual tracing. Now similarly, print enter the elements of the matrix 2. So again I will going to give the input in the list comprehension method. After that, then I will go for the matrix 2 printing. Again you are going to have the same format of what we have printed in the matrix 1. So now once you do that, now is equal true. If it is equal to true, then for I in range row, for j in range column, matrix 1 of ij should not be equal to matrix 2 of ij. If this condition becomes true, then is equal to false. Otherwise, if this condition becomes false, then it will goes back and starts iterating for each element. That means matrix 1 of 0 0 is comparing with matrix 2 of 0 0. If it is not equal, if it is equal, then this condition becomes false. Because since this condition given is not equal, if this condition becomes true, then is equals false. Since it becomes false itself. If it is for true, then again it goes back and checks for the second element, that is 0 1. Then again it goes back 0 2. Again it goes back. So once, because 3 rows and 3 columns, after j is equal to 2, then after that if it be j becomes 3, then it comes out of the loop and then goes to the next row, and then start again doing the same comparison between the two matrices. So if is equal, now in this case it is true. So it will go to this is equal, print both the matrices are equal. Yes, print both the matrices are not equal. So what is the output? The output will going to be enter the row number, which is 3, enter the column number, it is 3, enter the elements of the matrix 1. So I will say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Then the first 0th row will going to have 1 2 3. So first row will going to have 4 5 6, and second row will going to have 7 8 9. That is I is equal to 0, I is equal to 1, and I is equal to 2, and j is equal to 0 1 2. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in the column sides. Then in the elements of the matrix 2, again we are giving the same elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the matrix 2 will also have the same thing. Once both are equal, since matrix 1 of 0, 0 is equal to matrix 1 of matrix 2 of 0, 0. Matrix 1 of 0, 1 is matrix 2 of 0, 1. Matrix of 0, 2 is equal to matrix of 0, 3. So it is equal. Every element is equal in both of matrix 1 and matrix 2. Therefore, the matrices are equal. Then now we are going to try to write the try to trace it or analyze it. So here row is equal to int input, enter the row number. So the row number is 3 because I am using 3 by 3 matrix. Column is equal to int input, enter the column number. So I am entering the column number as 3. So what will going to be the size of the matrix? The size of the matrix is 3 by 3. Print, enter the element for the matrix 1. So now I want to give the input for the matrix 1. Enter the elements of the matrix 1. So for that I am using the list comprehension method. Matrix 1 int input for I in range. For the list comprehension, first column will going to come and then the row for j in range row. So I is equal to 0, I is equal to 1, j is equal to 2. So you will go to get 1, 2, 3 for the j is equal to 0. Similarly, for the second column, I is equal to 0, I is equal to 1, I is equal to 2. You will go to get 4, 5, 6 for j is equal to first row. Similarly, I is equal to 0, I is equal to 1, I is equal to 2 for the column. Then you will go to get 7, 8, 9 for j is equal to 2. So this will going to be the columns and this will going to be the row. So that means 1, 2, 3 is 0th row. 4, 5, 6 is the first row, 7, 8, 9 is the second row. So 1, 2, 3 for 0, 1, 2 column, 4, 5, 6 for 0, 1, 2 column, 7, 8, 9 for 0, 1, 2 column. Now we go for how to print the elements. To print the elements, print matrix 1. Matrix 1 will going to be for I in range row, for j in range column. Print format matrix. So here the range is I is equal to range is 3, 0, 1, 2. J is equal to range 3, again j is equal to 0, 1, 2. So first one, initially I will go to take the value of I as 0, 0 is less than 3, condition is true. Since the condition is true, then it comes to the for loop of, that is the jth loop. So first initializes the value of j as 0, so 0 is less than 3, condition is true. So since both the condition is true, it will go to execute this statement. So matrix 1 of 0, 0, matrix 1 of 0, 0 is 1. So that is what it will go to print. Then you have 5 spaces, so it takes 5 spaces. And then since you want to continue in the same line after the print function, so it goes to the cursor will come here. Then j is incremented with 1, 1 is less than 3, condition is true. Matrix of ij, that is 0, 1 will going to become 2. So 0, 1 will going to print 2. Then j is incremented again with 1. So 1 plus 1 it becomes 2, 2 is less than 3, condition is true. So matrix of 0, 2 which will going to be 3. So it will going to take 3. Again the cursor moves because you have 5 mm space. So it will going to move the cursor by 5 space. Then j is equal to 2 plus 1, it becomes 3, 3 is less than 3, condition becomes false. So it comes out of the jth loop. Once it comes out of the jth loop, so it comes to the print function. So initially the cursor will be here now, outside the second one. After printing the third element, it moves in the same line. Then, so once it comes out of the inner loop, it goes to the print function. What this print function does? Print function, cursor move to the next line. So the cursor will come here. Then again it will go to take the increment. I is equal to 1. So I is equal to 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, 1 is less than 3. Condition is true, so it comes to this now. So initializes the j value as 0, 0 is less than 3, condition is true. Matrix of 1, 0 will be 4. So the matrix of 1, 0 will be 4. Similarly, j is incremented with 1 more, it becomes 1, 1 is less than 3, condition is true. So I is equal to 1, j is equal to 1, it's 5. Then j is incremented to 2, 2 is less than 3, condition is true. So matrix of 1, 2 will be equal to 6. So your matrix of 1, 2 will go to take 6, that is first row and second column. Then j is incremented with 1, 3 is less than 3, condition becomes false. It comes out of the inner loop and then it goes to the print function. So this print function moves the cursor to the next line. Next, I is equal to 1 plus 1, it becomes 2, 2 is less than 3, condition is true. J is equal to 0, 0 is less than 3, condition is true. So in this case, 2, 0 is the 7th element. Then similarly, j is incremented with 1, 1 is less than 3, condition is true. So matrix of 2, 1 will be 2, 1 will be 8. Then it moves, the cursor moves to the this column. Then again j is equal to 2, 2 is less than 3, condition is true. Matrix of 2, 2 will be equal to 9. So you are going to get 9. Again it is moved by 5 distance or 5 spaces. Then j is equal to 2 plus 1, it becomes 3, 3 is less than 3, condition becomes false. It comes out of the inner loop and then go to the print function. The cursor moves to the next line. So again print. So it comes out of the loop. But still it is not coming out of the loop because I is equal to j is equal to 2 plus 1, it becomes 3. So it has to come out of the ith loop also. We should have written one more step. I is equal to 2 plus 1, it becomes 3, 3 is less than 3, condition becomes false, it comes out of the outer loop also. Then print enter the elements of the matrix 2. The elements of the matrix 2 will be again 3 by 3 matrix only. So int input for I in range, first you have to take column and then you have to take row because it is the list comprehension method. So in that case I is equal to 0, 1, 2. For that 1, 2, 3 I have entered. So j is equal to 0, that is the first row and these are the columns. Then I is equal to 0, I is equal to 1, I is equal to 2, then you are going to get 4, 5, 6. So j is equal to the second row, that is j is equal to 1. Then I is equal to 0, I is equal to 1, I is equal to 2, these are the columns. So you are going to get 7, 8, 9. So in the jth second row. So matrix 2 will going to have the nested list of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, where I, that is 0, 1, 2 is the column and j it is the rows. So one should do that. Now print matrix 2. The matrix 2 will also have the same order, which is 3 by 3, and again the same number of elements I have entered. Same elements I have entered again. So I is in range 3, that is 0, 1, 2. I means 0, 1, 2. J is in range 3, again j is also in 0, 1, 2. So 0, 0 will have 1, 0, 1 will have 2, 0, 2 will have 3. So once it comes to this, so then j is incremented with 1. So 2 plus 1 becomes 3, 3 is less than 3, it comes out of the jth loop and goes to the print function, the cursor moves to this. Then I is equal to 1, 1 is less than 3, condition is true, I value. Okay, then I value becomes 1, then j value becomes 0, so 0 is less than 3, so you are going to get 4, then 1, 1 will go to get 5 and 1, 2 will go to get 6. Once it goes to the next line and it comes out of the jth loop, that is j is equal to 3, 2 plus 1 it becomes 3, 3 is less than 3, condition becomes false, it comes out of the jth loop and it will going to go for the print function, you will going to get to this line. So again I is incremented with 1, it becomes 2, 2 is less than 3, condition is true. So j is equal to 0. So 2, 0 will have 7, 2, 1 will going to have 8, 2, 2 will going to have 9. Once it comes, j is equal to 3, 3 is less than 3, condition is becomes false. So it comes to the print function, it comes to this second, fourth row. Then I is incremented with 1, so 3 is less than 3, condition becomes false. So it comes out of the loop. So this is how it will going to be executed. So both the matrices, matrix 1 will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and matrix 2 will also have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we want to compare between these two. So to do that, is equal to true. Then for I in range row, for j in range column. So what it is doing, for I in range row is 3, 0, 1, 2, for j in range column 0, 1, 2. So I is equal to 0, 0 is less than 3, condition is true, j is equal to 0, 0 is less than 3, condition is true. Both are cases. So matrix 1 of 0, 0 is not equal to matrix 2 of 0, 0. So what is the matrix 1? Matrix 1 of 0, 0 is 1 is not equal to matrix 2 of 0, 0. 1 is not equal to 1. So here 1 is equal to 1. So the condition becomes false. Is not equal, then it is true. Since it is false, so it will take false. Then again it is incremented with the value of j is equal to 1. j is equal to 1, 1 is less than 3, condition is true. Matrix of 0, 1. Matrix 1 of 0, 1 is 2. Matrix 2 of 0, 1 is also 2. 2 is not equal to 2, condition becomes false. Again, j is incremented with 1. So 2 is less than 3, condition is true. Then matrix 1 of 0, 2 is not equal to matrix of 0, 2. 3 is not equal to 3, condition becomes false. So again, it is incremented. So what happens? 2 plus 1, it becomes 3. 3 is less than 3, it comes out of the inner loop. Then I is incremented with 1. 1 is less than 3, condition is true. J is equal to 0. 0 is less than 3, condition is true. Then matrix of 1, 0. Matrix of 1, 0 is 4. Is not equal to matrix of 1, 0 is 4. So condition becomes false. J is incremented with 1. So 1 is less than 3, condition is true. So matrix 1 of 1, 1, because I is equal to 1. So 5 is not equal to 5, condition becomes false. Then j is incremented with 2. So that means 1 comma 2. So 1 comma 2 means 1 comma 2, it is 6. 6 is not equal to 6, condition becomes false. Then you have j is equal to 2 plus 1, it becomes 3, 3 is less than 3, correct? 1, 3 is not there, so it comes out of the inner loop. Then again, I is equal to 1 plus 1, it becomes 2, so you get 2. Is 2 is less than 3, condition is true. Then j is equal to 0. So matrix of 2, 0 is 7, and matrix 1 of 2, 0 is also 7. 7 is not equal to 7, condition is false. Then j is incremented with 1, and it is checking the condition. 1 is less than 3, yes. Then matrix 1, 1, matrix 2, I is equal to 2, j is equal to 1, 2, matrix 1 of 2, 1 is not equal to matrix 2 of 1. Matrix 2 of 2 of 1. So 2, 1 is 8, and here also 2, 1 is 8. So both the conditions are equal. So therefore it becomes false because it is not equal. So one should do that. Now you have j is equal to 1 plus 1, it becomes 2. 2 is less than 3, condition is true. So matrix 1 of 2, which will be equal to 9. And matrix 2 of 2, again it is equal to 9. 9 is not equal to 9. The condition becomes false. And j is equal to 2 plus 1, it becomes 3. 3 is less than 3, condition is false. It comes out of the inner loop, and again it takes the increment of the value of I is equal to 3. 2 plus 1, it becomes 3. 3 is less than 3, condition becomes false. It comes out of the outer loop also. Now we have all the conditions have been checked. Now we want to I is equal to, it comes out of the outer loop also. Now if is equal is true, so what the program says? The program says if is equal, condition is true, is equal is true. Then, so here is equals is, now here everything is false for this condition. So obviously that should become true. So if is equal to true, yes. So both the matrices are equal. So the output what you will going to get here is both the matrices are identical. So that is the reason why is equal to true. Once it checks the equality of individual elements of both the matrices, if it is true, in this case it is true. Therefore, print both the matrices are equal. So here both the matrices are equal. So this is how you will be able to execute the program on how to check the program of the given two matrices are both are identical. Now we will try to write a program for this by using Python. So to do that, so I will going to consider row and column. Row equals int input, enter the row number, then column equals int input, enter the column number. Okay, then print enter the elements of the matrix 1. Enter the elements for the matrix 1. Then you declare the variable as matrix 1 equals double square bracket int input for I in range column, for j in range row. This is bought by the list comprehension method. So for that I will go to use print matrix 1. Print the matrix 1. How to print the matrix 1? For I in range row, then similarly for j in range column, print format matrix 1 of I comma j, okay, comma 5 end equals. So if this condition, after this condition becomes true, once you are coming out of the j flow, I will go for the print function. Similarly, so you have this print, enter the elements for the matrix 2. Print, enter the elements of the for the matrix 2. Okay, once you do that, matrix 2 equals int input for I in range column, for j in range row. Okay, so print matrix 2. Okay, again for I in range row, for j in range column, print format matrix 2 of I j, okay, comma end equals, okay, then print for the next line. Then so we have this and we have both the functions we have taken. Is equal to true, is underscore equal is true, okay. Then for I in range row, for j in column, range column, okay. Then if matrix 1 of I j is not equal to matrix 2 of I j, matrix I, if matrix 1 of I j is not equal to matrix 2 of I j, then is equal to false, okay, is equal to false. If is equal, print both the matrices are identical, else print both the matrices are not identical, both the matrices are equal. Print both the matrices are not equal. Okay. Now we will try to execute this program. So here I will going to take row number is 3, column number is 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Similarly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So both the matrices are equal. So to do that, I will show you how it will going to be executed by using the step-by-step program. So here the first element is row number is 3. Then we have the column number is 3. Then we execute this statement, elements of the matrix 1. Then I will go for 1. Then I will go for 2. Then I will go for 3. Then I will go for 4. Second row. 5. Then I will have 6. So that is j is equal to 1. 4, 5, 6, j is equal to 1. Then I will go to take for 7. Then I will take the value as 8. Then I will take the value as 9. I is equal to 0, 1, 2. So I is equal to 0, 1, 2. So j is equal to 0. So 7, 8, 9. J is equal to 2. So the list combination will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is for matrix 1. So you are going to get the matrix 1 will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now I want to print the row matrix 1. 0, 0 is 1, 0, 1 is 2, 0, 2 is 3. Then it comes out. Then go to the print function. Then I will be taken as 1, column j will be 0, so 1, 0 will be 4, 1, 0 means this one, 1, 1 is 5, 1, 2 is 6, then it comes out of the j loop, go to the print function, go to the next line, I becomes 2, here you can see, I is equal to 2, correct, I is equal to 2, j is equal to 0, so 2, 0 will be 7, 2, 1 will be 8, 2, 2 will be 9. So once it go to the column, so go to the print function, then I will become also comes out, enter the elements of the matrix 2. So now I will go for individual 1, then we have 2, then we have 3, then we have 4, 5, then we have 6, then we have 7, then we have 8, then we have 9. Okay, so I given the inputs. So this is the list comprehension 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this will going to become matrix 2. So both the matrix 1 and matrix 2 are identical by looking at these two. So now I want to print the second elements. Row is 0, column is 0, matrix 2 of 0, 0 is 1, then 0, 1 is 2, 0, 2 is 3. So it is 0, 3, it comes out of the loop, then go to the print function, it goes to the next line. 1, 0 will going to become 4, 1, 1 will going to become 5, and 1, 2 will going to become 6. Then 1, 3 it will try to check, then it comes out of the loop. Then go to the print function, go to the next line. I is equal to 2, then j is equal to 0, then 2, 0 is 7, and 2, 1 is 8, and 2, 2 is 9. Then it go to the it comes out of the j loop and go to the print function, go to the next line, and I is equal to 2 plus 1, it becomes 3, 3 is less than 3, it comes out of the loop. Is equal to true. Is equal to true. Is equal to true, yes, because no, we want to compare both. For I is equal to 0, then j is equal to 0, j is equal to 0, then I is equal to 0. Matrix of 0, 0 is not equal to not equal to 0 0, but it is equal, so it comes out, it won't go to this. Again, column will be taken as 2 1, then again you are comparing 0 1, 0 1 is 2, 2 is not equal to 2, now again it goes out. 0 2, 0 2 is not equal to, that is 3 is not equal to 3, so it goes out because it becomes false. Only when it is true it becomes false. So then I is incremented with 1, 1 0, 1 0 is 4, 4 is not equal to 4, no, 4 1 1 5, 5 is not equal to 5, false. Then 1 2, 6 is not equal to 6, again false, that is yes. Again comes out J 2, 2 0, that is 7 is not equal to 7, no. Then 2 1, 8, 8 is not equal to 8, no, it is false. Again 2 2, 9, 9 is not equal to 9, false. Again J is incremented, so it comes out of the jth lobe. Again I is incremented 3, it comes out of the ith lobe. If is equal, true, yes, condition is true now in this case, because all the matrices are false, so therefore it is identical. So therefore both the matrices are equal. So this is how you will be able to find the identical matrix. Now what I will do, suppose I will for the another case, debug Python program. Now we go for enter the row number, I will take 3. Then enter the column number, I will take 3. Then enter the elements of the matrix 1 now. I will take 1, then 2, then 3, then you have 4, then we have 5, then we have 6, then you take these two, okay, then we are going to take 7, then we will take 8, then we are going to take 9. So first matrix I have entered, so 1 2 3 4 5 6, then you will have 7 8, then you will have 9. Enter the elements of the matrix 2 now. So first I will take 1, then 1, I will take 2, then I will take 3, then I will take 3, okay, then I will take 4. You can take whatever the values you want, because it is not identical, it is not equal. That is what I am trying to prove now. 6, then I will going to have 7, then I will going to have 8. Sorry, 8, then matrix 2, 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, then it comes out is equal to true, yes, row is 0, column is 0, matrix 0 0 is not equal to 0 0, condition becomes false because 1 is equal to 1, so it goes out. Then 0 1, 1 is not equal to 2, sorry, 2 is not equal to 1, yes, is equal to false. Now it comes to this again, so it is checking now. Then 3 is not equal to, is equal to false, then I is equal to 0, okay. So now everything becomes false now. So whereas j is equal to 1, I is equal to 1. 1 1. What is 1 1? 1 1 is 5 is not equal to 4. Condition is true. So false. So then 6 is not equal to 5. Condition is false. Then column is incremented. I becomes 2. J becomes 0. 7 is not equal to 6. False. Because that is true now. Then 8 is not equal to 7 is equal to false. Then 9 is not equal to 8. S is equal to false. So it comes out. Row is also comes out. If is equal, now it is not true because it is equal to false. So yes, print both the matrices are not equal. So in this case, both the matrices are not equal. What is the inference from this? So if I want to have the two matrices are to be equal, I have to compare the individual elements of the each matrix with the corresponding elements of the another matrix. If both the conditions becomes true, then only the condition is true. That depends on the condition. If matrix 1 of ij is equal to matrix 2 of ij, then it becomes true. In this case, the condition what we have used is matrix 1 of ij is not equal to matrix 2 of ij. So since it is false, therefore it goes out of the loop. So if this condition becomes true, then is equal to false. So every time it will go to check, and once if is equal to true, then both the matrices are equal. Yes, both the matrices are not equal. So this is how you will be able to write and compare the two matrices are equal or not by using the Python program. Thank you.